Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my eyelashes. I actually just got eyelash extensions today, so I wanted to sit down and chat with you guys a little bit about that. I have wanted eyelash extensions for a hot second, and one of the girls at my salon just got certified in them, so I decided to go all in on it. I was a little hesitant because you guys know I love my fake eyelashes and how big and how bold they are, and I wasn't going to be able to wear those with eyelash extensions, but you know, I figured I'd try out something new since I've been sleeping in through my alarm. I'm just going to get into the whole process and kind of my experience with it, how they feel, yada yada yada. So the whole process to get them applied took about 2.5 hours for the kind of lash that I wanted. I don't have volume eyelashes. These are just individual lashes extended from my natural ones. I don't necessarily have an issue with adhesives very often, so I was able to get them no problem. Now, if you do have an allergy to a lot of adhesives, you want to make sure you research the one that they're using, or that you ask your lash technician about your allergy and if it's okay to even get them. Basically, the lasting time for a set of fake eyelashes or a set of eyelash extensions is about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how fast your eyelashes shed. No, they are not harmful to your natural eyelashes. They shed like your natural eyelashes do. So as your normal eyelashes fall out, the extensions fall out with the eyelash. So nothing's pulling anything out. You're not stunting the growth of your eyelashes. It's just an extension of your natural lash. So with the ones that I got, I wanted something that was going to be not solid all the way across, that I would have different sizes to give it more of an intricate design inside of the eyelashes. So I'll zoom you guys in so you can see what I did on mine. So this is what mine look like. I don't have any mascara on my upper lashes. I just have a really small coat on my lower eyelashes. And this is what they look like fresh. Now as they shed, they'll shed evenly on both eyes because they shed like your natural eyelashes would. So you're not going to lose them all on one eye and have some left on the other. So the reason why I'm wearing glasses with my eyelashes is because you cannot get them wet for about 4 hours, and you can't have contacts in to put your eyelashes on, and I couldn't put my contacts in because that would make my eyelashes wet, and I don't want the glue to get in my eyes or anything because it takes about 4 hours for it to cure. So you want to avoid any water, sweat, swimming, obviously any of that stuff for the first day of getting your eyelashes. So the biggest thing is just listen to your lash technician. They know what's best for you, what's best for the kind of eyelashes that they have. There's all different kinds of eyelashes out there. There's volume, there's length, there's all different shapes and sizes and tints. So depending on what your lash technician can do will depend on the style that you can get. But I don't know, I think they're pretty cool. I never had them before, and I like them a lot so far. So we'll see how much time I save in the morning, but I did do my full face of makeup in about like 30 minutes, if that. So that was pretty cool. I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links are in the description box for you guys, so you guys have all that info at hand. If you guys live in the Indianapolis area, come see my gal. She's awesome. Her name is Faith, and I will put the name of my salon and her in the description box so you can give us a call. So this is a week into my eyelash extensions, and I kind of just wanted to do an update on how it's all going. I haven't had any issues as far as putting on my makeup. Yeah, it took a little getting used to with having them kind of in my way, quote unquote, but it really wasn't as bad as I was expecting. I've only had maybe 10 eyelashes fall out, which is totally normal by this time, but really they look almost exactly the same as they did day one. I look like trash right now, absolute garbage. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like without any makeup on, so you guys could get a close-up of what that lashes look like. So this is what they look like without any mascara, without anything on. I literally just washed my face and that's it. I love the fullness that I get with them, and I love how dark that they make my lash line look, so it helps with the look of fullness for me. If I do wear any mascara on these, it's just at the base of them down here, so they stay put throughout the day. And if I accidentally touch them, because I'm known to touch my eyelashes, if I touch them, they just stay in place a lot better. I have my hair tied back because I just wasn't feeling it. It was driving me nuts. So we're back in this. It's like bun the size of my freaking head. As far as makeup remover goes, I've been using, so I used to just use like an oil-based face wash. They recommend you not use an oil-based face wash to remove your makeup, so I've been using like exfoliating makeup wipes. So rather than having the oil in it, the little exfoliating part of the makeup wipes just scrubs away your makeup, and that way I can avoid my eyelashes altogether because it's a wipe and not a whole wash that I'm using on my face. Let me get them and show them to you so you know what I'm talking about. I've actually really been loving these makeup wipes too. They're just Equate Beauty, so like the Walmart brand, and they're the exfoliating wet cleansing towelettes. And I got these in a pack of 2, and they've lasted me so much longer because for a full face of glam makeup, I can use 1. And that's never happened before, so freaking love that. It says it deep cleans and exfoliates skin for refreshed, invigorated skin. And it's paraffin free. And there's like 60 in here, so you get like 2 months out of it, basically. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little update on how it's going. I assume that the rest of the weeks in between my lash fills will go about the same. Oh look, Coco decided to join us. Oh, she is pissed. She is pissed. Oh, another side note, now that it's fall, all the fall flavored creamers are coming out. And I'm a little crazy. So far I've gotten the peppermint mocha, the pumpkin spice, the marshmallow hot chocolate. That one is really good. That's actually what I'm drinking right now. Who else is a sucker for fall flavors? Put it in the comments down below because I want to know. I feel like I'm the only one out there that likes all these fall flavors. I don't know. Call me basic if you will. I don't think I look basic, but you know, I just think it tastes good. Oh yeah, I was going to give you guys a little update too. I am going to get my eyebrows microbladed, so I'm super pumped for that. I will keep you guys posted on that, and I'm actually planning on doing a video on that as well. And I will have another hair timeline video up for you guys before too long. I'm hoping here in the near future. I just have so many videos I want to do in so little time. I feel like I know I'm doing 2 videos a week now, but now that I'm doing 2 videos a week, I keep getting inspired to do more and more and more. So you guys have a lot of videos coming at you. So that is everything for this video. I know it's short, sweet, and to the point, but I just wanted to kind of tell you my experience with them and how I've liked them so far. Like I said, I'll update you. But I will see you guys next time. Bye!